Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress web development. So basically in this class we will see what is this domain name and the web hosting. So the place from where we will be taking our domain name and the web hosting is known as the hostinger.com. So this website provides the best services as of now which I came across. So now let me just tell you the difference between the web hosting and the domain name. Okay, so whenever you go to some website like this is a website, okay, so this website got a name known as a hostinger.in. okay, so when I say this website got a name as a www.hostinger.in, this is known as the domain of this particular website. Okay, so Hostinger has a domain as www.hostinger.in. if you are going to the Amazon, okay, if I'm just going to the Amazon, then Amazon got a domain name like www.amazon.in. okay, so this is the name of the website is basically known as the domain. So if suppose now you want to have the domain name of your own, if suppose I want to have my website in my name like Akshay Maikar, then I could have a website like www.akshaymaikar.com, akshaymaikar.in, then akshaymaikar.org. okay, so basically this is the name of the website with which we refer a website, that is known as the domain name. And there is one more concept when it comes to the web development, and that concept is known as a web hosting. okay, so when I refer this website Amazon, let me just open this website. Okay, so now when I'm like at whatever corner of the world I may be, when I go to the amazon.in, I am taken to the Amazon website. okay, so when I type out this address, which is www.amazon.in, I am taken to this website which got some images, then some products, then all this stuff what you see on the screen. So basically all these images and all these colors, then all these products, if suppose I'm going to the category of mobiles, then the data about these mobiles, all this data of this website is stored on one place known as the web hosting. okay, so you can say that web hosting is basically the place which holds the data of your website. okay, so you could say it's some sort of database which is keeping the data of your website. Whenever any user will be typing out name of your website, then all the data about your website will be fetched from a web hosting. okay, so now I hope this concept is clear. So now let me just take you to the Hostinger. So Hostinger is the website which provides you these facilities. okay, it will provide you the facility of the domain name and a web hosting. So now let me just scroll down. So basically, if suppose you want to have only one website, if suppose you are starting a business, or if you want a website of your own name, then this is the basic plan which will help you to host only a single website. And it will help you to host a single website. It will also help you to create one email. Then it will work smoothly even if it is visited by hundreds of thousands of visitors. Then it will give you one SSL certificate. So SSL certificate is basically important, which will tell your visitor that your website is safe. okay, so now as can be seen, this website is getting this log. okay, so this website is getting this log because this website is having the SSL certificate. Just click on this, and as can be seen, if I'm just clicking on the certificate, this is the SSL certificate of this website. okay, so if suppose you are building a product selling website in which in order to sell something you are asking for payment or money from a particular user, okay, from your customers, then in order to accept the payment, your website need to be safe and secured. okay, so in order to make your website safe and secured, your website should have the SSL certificate. And from Hostinger you are getting this SSL certificate absolutely free. okay, so forget about all these other items. But if you want to host multiple websites on the single web hosting, then this is the premium plan which you could take. This will allow you to host almost hundreds of websites, and you can even create the hundreds of email accounts. This is basically the separate concept which as of now, as a beginner, you people won't understand, so just don't focus on this. And now let me just tell you how to get a very cheap domain name and a web hosting from this Hostinger, or to be more precise, how to get a very good discount. okay, so in order to get a good discount, just go to this link which is hostinger.in, then the /coupons, and just scroll down, And over here, if you are taking a web hosting, then you will get a domain name absolutely free. Okay, so just click on this use coupon. Just make use of this first coupon what you see over here. Click on this. Okay, so if you are using this coupon, you will basically get the 80% off. Okay, and when it comes to the web hosting, you will get domain name absolutely free for 1 year. Okay, so this is the plan what we are getting over here. It is always good idea to select the plan for 12 months. So I will select this plan, and after that, if I'm just scrolling down, it says you are eligible for free domain. Okay, so now suppose I want a domain in my name. First of all, we have to check the availability. Okay, it's like a username. Okay, so when we go to the Instagram and all, so some usernames already taken. If that particular website name is already taken, if suppose I want amazon.in over again, then I cannot take it because amazon.in domain name is already taken by the Amazon. Okay, so I cannot take this. So you have to check the availability of your name, and whether you want your domain name to be of a .com type, .in, .site, .tech, .shop, .online, you can just select that type from this category. Okay, so if suppose I want akshaymaiko.com, then I have to just select whatever I want, and I have to search whether it is available or not. If it is available, then only I can take it. Okay, so now I'm getting this domain because it is available, and the period is 1 year. So over here, as can you see in the this is the premium web hosting. Okay, since this is a premium web hosting, so it will cost me 2,748, and I'm getting the domain name absolutely free along with the SSL certificate. Then you can just click on this checkout and do the this payment process. I will show you guys how to do this payment process. I mean, how to follow the things after this in the next tutorial, where I'll be showing you guys a slideshow in which I'll be showing you, I will be telling you guys exactly how to carry out the procedure. But as of now, I would like to stop over here. And if you want, you can just take this web hosting plan for 12 months. You can even take for 24 months, then the 48 months, and even for 1 month. Okay, so just select whatever plan that you want and click on the checkout. Okay, so thanks for watching, but let me just go back over here, and if suppose you want to take this single plan, let's see what happens if I want to take the single plan. So basically the plan which we had taken over here, this is the premium plan. On the premium plan, you can just host more than one website. Okay, you can almost host hundreds of websites on the web hosting of the premium plan. But when it comes to this single plan, if you are taking the single plan, as can be seen, single plan is a bit costly. Okay, so it will cost you somewhere around 6,000. So from my point of view, you should be sticking to this plan, which will cost you 3,257. So yeah, if you want, you can just go with this plan because we are getting the discount which is 80% off, and because of which we got a very good discount over here. Okay, so please click on the checkout now if you want to take the domain name and the web hosting. Okay, so thanks for watching, and in the next tutorial I will show you how to carry out the further process. Thanks for watching.